Spartans! What is your profession?
What is up, YouTube? It's Vincent Craig, back at it again with another video. I shouldn't even be saying that. It's been a year and a half, almost 2 years since I posted something for you guys. But anyways, today I did a leg workout and pretty basic, nothing too crazy. If you're new to the channel, just go ahead and smash that subscribe button, you feel me? And if you've been subscribed, tune in, man. We got great things coming. Let's get right into it. Stay tuned. Alright, y'all, let's get right into it. So here I'm just doing regular L sit-ups. They're really supposed to help target the lower abs. Sometimes the upper abs are a little more toned than the lower abs, and this just kind of helps that even out. Now, I do them just regularly, and then I kind of bring in the ball to help with stabilization and kind of make it a little easier once they get hard. So I did 4 sets of 20 for each of these, 10 reps, and then I switch to the ball each time. Now into the next one right here, I'm going to be using a medicine ball and going to do some twists, and those are really going to help target the obliques, make them a little more cut to get that, aesthetic illusion going for you. Kept it same, 4 sets of 20 here. I'm not sure what this next one is called, so I'm gonna call it upside down Beatle. And so you're just kind of twisting side to side and really targeting those obliques again. Try to keep your back off the ground so that way you can hit those upper abs as well. On to the next. So here I kind of just went back and forth until the hamstring machine was available, just to get the quads activated and get everything all stretched out, get some blood flow going through there. Now it's pretty simple. It's just lunges. You don't have to do them with weight, just body weight, and do as many as you can. I think I might have did about 10 downs and back before eventually the hamstring machine was open for me to go use. Finally, I got the hamstring machine, and here I pretty much just started with moderate weight to kind of get some blood flow going into the hamstrings. And as the weight went up, the reps came down. So I started off with 20 reps. By the end of the 4 sets that I did here, I was getting about 15 reps. So just really focus on squeezing that hamstring. Try to hit your butt every single time. Really exaggerate the movement. The more exaggeration you can put into it, the more you're gonna get out of it. Since all the squat racks were taken, I decided to hop on the Smith machine and get right to work. Now, I advise that you always warm up with each and every single exercise so you can minimize injuries down the road. Here, I stayed at a rep range of 20. The only thing that changed was the weight. As the weight went up, I kept the rep range exactly the same. Now I focused on opening those hips and hitting that 90-degree angle. The thing I like about this exercise is it'll take a lot of pressure off your back, especially if your back is not feeling well. I advise that you use a Smith machine instead of traditional back squats. Following the squats, we have the leg extension. Very simple movement, yet very effective. With this movement, I try to focus on squeezing at the top and really trying to tear those muscle fibers as I stretch back down. Now, this movement right here, if done properly, can promote good Last but not least, we have the most stubborn part to grow on the body, the calves. Now, right here, try to focus on this outwards movement and the inwards movement to really grow out those outer heads and inner heads.